Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Wednesday, April 10th, and we're going to take a look here at the Nasdaq and talk a little bit about kind of the levels we're watching with the Nasdaq, because we have been in a channel here for the past several months. So let's go ahead and get started here. First off, on the daily price chart, we had a big down day today. That's kind of off of CPI. CPI came in higher than expected, and that means inflation is still there, isn't slowing down like what they wanted to see it doing, and so far we've pulled back pretty good. If you were in the trade room with me this morning, we talked about that. If the number came in hot, we were bearish bonds, bearish indices. It played out really well, and then we've just chopped sideways since then. However, if you look at where we stopped today on the way down, we've been inside this channel since the middle of January, really, or early February. And that's about 18,000 support, and then resistance about 18,600, 18,700. So what we're going to watch for is a break outside of this channel before we really get any longer-term directional bias on the Nasdaq. It's super volatile right now. However, it's just not getting any follow-through. So if we go to the upside, we want to see it closing above this first line. So we want to see a close above 18,625 or so, 18,610, that area. You can see we've poked through it multiple times, but we can't ever close above it. Now, if we break to the downside, we need to see a breakout below 18,000 even, and that gives us kind of clear to fall down into the support zone, which is between 17,475 and 17,625. So that's coming off a previous pivot high and previous pivot low, and then pivot low over here. So if we break down, we have about 400 points worth of down move to come, and then we'll also run to our 100-day moving average. If we break up, we need to see a close above resistance, and we're off to highs and looking for a follow through to the upside. So we'll see. So far, we're staying really choppy. So far, we're not going anywhere. So we'll keep an eye on it. Nothing I really want to mess with for the time being. Just waiting on the breakout there. So keep an eye on how the Nasdaq ends up moving over the next couple of days, and keep in mind you have PPI, Producer Price Index, tomorrow morning as well, which can cause even more volatility. With that being said, make sure you like and subscribe if you're enjoying the content here at Basecamp Trading. Come check the trade rooms out, and until next time, everyone, happy trading.